Was it fun last night? A bunch of the guys go over and watch Jeremy and Wyatt play?
It was great. You know, I told my son, I said, I said, I'm bringing all my former teammates over, so you need to represent a little bit. Unfortunately, they were able to win, and it was great seeing those guys. It was great that they took the time, a couple of minutes to come over and watch our team play.
Sorry if we touched on this, but can you talk about the importance of coming back and seeing all the guys?
Well, I think it's important because it was a special season. I mean, it was a special season in Iowa history. A lot of these guys, have gone on in their lives around the country. There's some that were spread all out, but it means something special that all of them took the time to come back to commemorate this particular time period in our life. And I'm just looking forward to the rest of the day.
Roy credits you with a lot of his success because you pushed him every day.
We pushed each other to practice. Everyone, from Kevin to Ed to Brad to BJ. We knew we had a special team, and the practices were really unbelievable. The practices were more fun than the games. I mean, we really got at each other. Kevin Gamble, we collided one time in practice, and I had 14 stitches, and I got sewed up in practice. Everything was game-like, everything was business-like, and we knew we had something special. And Coach Davis, the architect, really, cultivated what we had, and those were very fun practices.
Did you really fall off the Great Wall of China?
Well, it was a small portion of the Great Wall. There's tall portions and there's small portions, but I was trying to take the guy's picture, and I was looking down, and I was at a shallow point, and I just fell over. So then they go around and tell everybody that I fell off the Great Wall. So.
Can you talk about the direction Fran has the team going?